अरे मैं ही ले गया हूँ उनके साथ के जो सर थे। हाँ इन्हें फ्लाई करा रहे हैं, ला गया तू इन्हें। चलो 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 चलो।
Connecting with the nature. Etu amar recent Bhimtal trip and this is my first paragliding experience. So I am very excited to share it with all of you guys. We visited from Delhi and this is one of the best places to visit within 300 km of Delhi. It's a truly beautiful place to visit during the summer with pleasant weather. The temperature stays below 30 degrees even in the hottest months of June and July. There you can explore and enjoy various adventurous activities like boating, paragliding, zipline rope sliding, ATV bike riding and many more. হসা কথা কবলৈ গলে মোৰ অলপ ভয় লাগিছিল কিন্তু কয় নহয় ডৰ কে আগে जीत है। Finally once for a lifetime experience এটা কৰি দিলো। হসাকৈ ইমান ভাল লাগিলে ওপৰৰ পৰা ঠাইখন যে কিমান ধুনীয়া দেখিছিলে। Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.